Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into 6 cool products you can find on AliExpress. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Workos HD10 Headlamp. This headlamp is designed for the adventurous and the night owls. It features 3 high CRI LEDs with a maximum output of 1200 lumens, perfect for bright, natural lighting in any situation. Whether you're hiking, fishing, camping, or even working on a late-night project, this headlamp is built to last. It's made from aerospace-grade 6061 aluminum alloy, offering durability with an anti-abrasive finish. The headlamp runs on a single 14500 Li-ion battery and comes with USB-C charging for convenience. Its IP68 waterproof rating means it's ready to withstand heavy rain or even a quick dip in water. It also features advanced temperature regulation, which prevents overheating by reducing brightness when the internal temperature gets too high. Compact and lightweight at just 46 grams, this headlamp is incredibly portable. The magnetic tail cap adds another layer of convenience, making it easy to mount on metal surfaces. Number 5. Showme AK1 Plus. Looking for a compact and powerful desktop solution? The Showme AK1 Plus mini PC is just what you need. Powered by Intel's 12th generation Alder Lake N95 processor, this mini PC is a beast when it comes to multitasking, whether for office work, video playback, or even light creative tasks. It comes with up to 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and up to 1 terabyte SSD storage, giving you plenty of space for your files and applications. And if that's not enough, you can easily expand the storage to 2 terabytes with an additional SSD. It supports 4K Ultra HD resolution, so it's perfect for streaming or turning your living room into a home theater. With dual HDMI ports, you can even connect 2 screens at once, boosting your productivity. This mini PC also features dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for fast and stable connectivity. Plus, its compact design, measuring only 5.04 inches, allows you to mount it discreetly behind your monitor, saving valuable desk space. Number 4. Computer Keyboard Cleaner Kit. This versatile cleaning kit is a must-have for anyone who spends a lot of time on their computer or mobile devices. The 20-in-1 kit includes tools for cleaning everything from keyboards and tablets to cameras and smartphones. With a cylindrical storage design, it's compact and easy to carry around, so you can keep your gear clean wherever you go. The kit includes a keycap puller for deep cleaning mechanical keyboards, a brush for cleaning crevices and edges, and even specialized tools for cleaning earphone noise reduction holes and microphones. It's the ultimate cleaning set for people who like to keep their devices in pristine condition. Everything comes neatly packed in a storage box, making it easy to keep all the tools organized and accessible. Number 3. 4-bit 12-bit RGB Pickup Audio Level Indicator. This RGB music spectrum atmosphere light is not just a practical tool for monitoring audio levels, it's also a cool decorative gadget. The quasi-glow tube design gives it a punk retro vibe, making it a great gift for any music enthusiast. As the audio plays, the RGB lights respond to the sound, creating a dynamic, rhythmic display. This makes it perfect for parties, home studios, or even as a unique desk accessory. It's not only fun to watch, but also a useful tool for anyone who works with sound and wants a visual representation of their audio levels. Number 2. Rockbros Portable Mini Electric Bicycle Pump. If you're a cyclist, this portable mini electric pump is a game changer. Measuring just 63.7 millimeters by 61.7 millimeters by 31 millimeters and weighing only 93 grams, this compact pump is easy to carry and packs a powerful punch with a maximum pressure of 100 psi. It comes with a Type-C charging interface and a battery capacity of 7.4 volt, which ensures fast inflation and long-lasting battery life. It's suitable for both road bikes and mountain bikes, with AV and FV valve compatibility. The pump operates for about 200 seconds, giving you ample time to get back on the road. It even comes with a waterproof bag for added protection. Just be sure to charge it fully before use, and you'll have a reliable, portable inflator that will make tire changes quick and hassle-free. Number 1. Showme Watch S4 Sport. The Showme Watch S4 Sport is a cutting-edge smartwatch that combines style, durability, and advanced functionality. With a 1.43-inch AMOLED display and a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, the watch offers crisp and vibrant visuals. The titanium alloy body and sapphire glass provide durability, while the 5 ATM waterproof rating makes it suitable for swimming and other water-based activities. One of the standout features is its eSIM communication, allowing you to make calls and receive notifications without needing your phone nearby. The dual-band 5-star GNSS positioning ensures accurate location tracking even in challenging environments. It's packed with health and fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, stress tracking, and women's health insights. The 586 mAh battery ensures long-lasting usage, so you don't have to worry about running out of power during the day. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.